the heart of the matter. Little slap back on a sad song getting sadder. A little angel sitting in the shotgun seat. That feels like country music to me. If there's a rear view that's got you looking back, a little steel guitar bending in the cracks, a little hometown right where you're supposed to be. Yeah, that feels like country music to me. If it's life and it's love and it's freedom, where you been, who you are, and where you came from, is the left hand out the window, floating in the breeze. That feels like country music to me. Hard work finally paying off. A couple cold, cold beers, the suds up on the top. All my old friends and my whole family tree feels like country music to me. If it's life and it's love and it's freedom, where you been, who you are, and where you came from, is the left hand out the window, floating in the breeze. That feels like country music to me. That broken road that I've been walking on, or the cold hard truth that I've known all along. One of those moments in time that brings you to your knees. That feels like country music to me. That's right, just like country music.
Six lanes, tail lights, red ants marching into the night. They disappear to the left and right again. Another supper from a sack, a 99-cent heart attack. I got a pounding head and an aching back, and the camel's buried in a big straw stack. I'm gonna live where the green grass grows, watch my corn pop up in rows. Every night be tucked in close to you. Raise our kids where the good Lord's blessed, point our rocking chairs towards the west, and plant our dreams where the peaceful river flows, where the green grass grows. I'm from a map dot, a stop sign on a black top. I caught the first bus I could hop from there. But all of this glitter is getting dark. There's concrete growing in the city park. I don't know who my neighbors are, and there's bars on the corners and bars on my heart. But I'm gonna live where the green grass grows, watch my corn pop up in rows. Every night be tucked in close to you. Raise our kids where the good Lord's blessed, point our rocking chairs towards the west, plant our dreams where the peaceful river flows, my corn pop up in rows. Every night be tucked in close to you. Raise our kids where the good Lord's blessed. Point our rocking chairs towards the west. And plant our dreams where the peaceful river flows. Whoa, where the green grass grows.
Every day I drive to work across Flint River Bridge, 100 yards from the spot where me and Grandpa fished. There's a piece of his old fruit stand on the side of Sawmill Road. He'd be there peeling peaches if it was 20 years ago. And what I wouldn't give to ride around in that old truck with him. If heaven wasn't so far away, I'd pack up the kids and go for the day. Introduce them to their grandpa, watch them laugh at the way he talked. Find my long lost cousin John, the one we left back in Vietnam. Show him a picture of his daughter now. She's a doctor and he'd be proud. Tell him we'd be back in a couple of days. In the rearview mirror, we'd all watch him wave. Yeah, losing them wouldn't be so hard to take if heaven wasn't so far away. Hug all three of those girls we lost from the class of '99. And I'd find my bird dog Bo, take him hunting one more time. Ask Hank why he took those pills back in '53. And Janice to sing the second verse of me and Bobby McGee. Sit on a cloud and visit for a while. It'd do me good just to see them smile. If heaven wasn't so far away, I'd pack up the kids and go for the day. Introduce them to their grandpa, watch them laugh at the way he talked. Find my long lost cousin John, the one we left back in Vietnam. Show him a picture of his daughter now. She's a doctor and he'd be proud. Tell him we'd be back in a couple of days. In the rearview mirror, we'd all watch him wave.